Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through the steps to record separate audio tracks in OBS Studio. Start by opening OBS Studio on your computer. Look at the bottom right corner and click on the Settings button. A new window will open. From the list on the left, click on Output. At the top of this section, make sure the output mode is set to Advanced. If it is set to Simple, click on the drop-down menu and select Advanced. Next, look for the Recording tab inside the Output section. Here you will see options for file format and audio tracks. Make sure the recording format is set to MKV or MOV because formats like MP4 can cause issues if OBS crashes during recording. Below that, you will see checkboxes labeled Track 1, Track 2, and so on. Tick the boxes for Track 1 and Track 2. This will allow OBS to record two separate audio tracks at the same time. Now go to the Audio Mixer section on the main OBS screen. You should see sliders for desktop audio and mic. Click on the three dots next to desktop audio and select Advanced Audio Properties. A new window will appear showing audio track options for each source. Under the Tracks column, tick Track 1 for desktop audio and tick Track 2 for mic. You can also adjust audio levels here if needed. When you are done, close this window. That's how you can record separate audio tracks in OBS Studio. Thanks for watching.